Don't is a negative form of do. Don't is used with I, we, you, they, and when the noun is plural. Examples: we don't like to drink coffee at night. You don't want pizza, so I bought chicken. You don't agree with me. They don't go shopping on Sundays. We don't usually eat out on weekends. They don't mind coming to our party on Sunday. We don't care about the weather. We are going anyway. Doesn't is a negative form of does. Doesn't is used with he, she, it, and when the noun is singular. Examples: it doesn't matter whether you agree or not. She doesn't like to talk to him. The child doesn't want to go out for lunch. The employee doesn't agree with the company policy on bonuses.